Hey there! Have you ever wondered, what is Linux? Whether you've heard about it in tech circles or while looking for alternatives to Windows or macOS, we're here to break it down simply. Welcome to the Linux Edge. Let's dive into the beginner's guide to Linux. First things first, Linux isn't just one thing, it's actually an operating system, or more specifically, a family of operating systems. It was created by Linus Torvalds in 1991 as a free and open-source alternative to the big names like Microsoft Windows and macOS. But here's what makes Linux special: it's open source, meaning the code is freely available for anyone to view, modify, or share. This is why you'll find so many versions, or distributions, of Linux out there. More on that in a minute. How does Linux work? At its core, Linux works just like any other operating system. It's what sits between your hardware, like your CPU, memory, and storage, and the software you use every day. It handles things like running programs, managing files, and connecting to the internet. But what makes Linux stand out is how lightweight and customizable it is. Want a sleek desktop interface? Or just a command line powerhouse for running servers? Linux can be tailored to fit your needs. Why use Linux? Now you might be asking, why would I use Linux? Great question. Here are some reasons people love it. It's free. Unlike Windows or macOS, you don't have to pay for Linux. Most distributions are completely free to download and use. Customization. You can make Linux look and feel exactly how you want. Security. It's known for being more secure and less prone to viruses than other operating systems. Great for learning. If you're into programming or tech, Linux is a great platform to learn on. It's everywhere. Fun fact, Linux runs on everything from web servers to Android phones to supercomputers. What are Linux distros? So, about those distributions I mentioned earlier, these are just different versions of Linux, tailored for specific needs. Ubuntu. Great for beginners with an easy-to-use interface. Fedora. A cutting-edge choice for tech enthusiasts. Arch. For advanced users who love tinkering. Kali Linux. Perfect for cybersecurity pros. There are hundreds of Linux distributions out there, so you can always find one that suits your style. And that's it, your beginner's guide to Linux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Linux Edge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.